Alright, this is my quick tutorial on the sander. First thing you want to do is make sure this is at 80 to 90 psi. This regulator doesn't work, so you need to control it coming in. The regulator won't go down far enough. You can either replace this regulator or just have a regulator on the wall that controls it at 80 psi. If it goes higher than that, it affects the belt tracking. What I recommend is you open up this door and you follow these. So set PSI to 80. Make sure this bowl is clear. If it's not clear and it's got dust in the bottom, because that happens, just unscrew it before you turn on the power and dump out the dirt and then screw it back in. Make sure air is blowing on the edge of the belt. You can hear that air right there. It blows. That's how it tracks the belt. And then, now what you want to do is turn on the belt, right there. And you look at the tracking. And make sure it comes back and see how the head oscillates back and forth. That's good. The little white thing is a safety. If the belt's running off, it'll hit that and shut it down. Once it's running good, throw on, whoop, then hit the conveyor belt. And that's all you got. This is your gauge there. Don't go over 20 to 25. You get over 30, you know, it'll shut the machine down. And then hook up your dust collection right there. And that's all you got. That's how you run it. And then I recommend shutting off by that and not using the emergency stop unless you have an emergency. So once it's shut off like this, if you need to change a belt, you release this, and that's how your belt comes out. When you put your belt on, push it in so it clears that, flip it up, fire it back up, make sure it's tracking good. And it's tracking great. You adjust the height of cables right there, and that should be all you need to know.